Welcome back to Autoscope. Volvo Camper Motorhome 2026, a blend of Scandinavian luxury, safety, and sustainable mobility. External, sturdy and secure structure. Given Volvo's reputation for safety, the camper's body and structure will most likely be built with high-strength materials and carefully thought-out crumple zones to protect people. To adapt to various driving conditions, there are options for front, rear, or even all-wheel drive AWD. Spacious, easily accessible outdoor storage space for tools and equipment. The best acoustic and thermal insulation will most likely be used in the construction of the top and side windows. Interior ergonomic and flexible design. The interior will maximize use and space. A small kitchen equipped with modern, energy-efficient appliances, induction cooker, compressor refrigerator. The couch section might be converted into an additional bed. A comfortable sleeping area with enough ventilation and light. Integrated technology. Several home and vehicle functions, including entertainment, climate control, navigation, and battery monitoring, will be managed from a large central touchscreen. Sustainable materials, in line with Volvo's aim. Environmentally friendly interior materials such as recycled textiles and bio-based polymers will most likely be selected. Performance and powertrain, full electric or plug-in hybrid option, given the trend toward electrification. The 2026 Volvo Camper Motorhome is expected to have either a full electric BEV powertrain option that provides a significant range and rapid charging, or a plug-in hybrid PHEV that combines an electric motor with an efficient internal combustion engine for increased travel flexibility. Silent and flowing performance. A hybrid or electric drivetrain will make driving smooth, quiet, and responsive. Adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assistance, and pilot assist are examples of intelligent driving systems.